Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the cabins. We're here at Fort Wilderness and I was thinking, because when we first booked this resort, we asked you what it is that you wanted to know about. And one of the things that you were really curious about was the laundry situation here at the cabins. Now, this is one of those things that, some people when they vacation, they want to do laundry. But since the cabins here at Disney's Fort Wilderness are now a Disney Vacation Club property, it's been like at the top of the list of things that people want to know about, especially because there is no laundry in cabin. So what do? Well, you're gonna have to take your laundry to one of the guest laundry areas, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. So,
Chauffeur Russ is here.
Now, the reason he's chauffeuring us around is because we're using a golf cart. We rented one for our stay here. It's optional. You don't need to rent a golf cart, but it can be a really useful tool. More about that here in a bit, not today, but we're gonna talk about golf carts in another discussion. But what I really want to focus on today is, where's the laundry? How easy is it to use? And the big question, drum roll please, is it free? So let's gear up, grab a drink, head out, and take a look at the laundry situation here at the cabins.
Let's get out.
So like other Walt Disney World Resort hotels, the cabins here at Fort Wilderness, as well as the campgrounds, do have laundry facilities for you to use while you're here. Now, we're staying in the 2500 loop, and nearby to us, there is the Wilderness Laundry. Unfortunately, today it is closed. It's completely gutted in there, and it is right by the pool. But there's a sign out front that says that we can go to the 2100 loop, which is our next stop. Now, generally speaking, at Disney Vacation Club properties, laundry in the Disney Vacation Club area is going to be free, because guests who are staying in Disney Vacation Club resorts or Disney Vacation Club villas do have access to free laundry, even if they don't have laundry in their unit. So for example, you're staying over at Beach Club, you're staying at Deluxe Studio, you don't have laundry, you can still do your laundry for free. But if you go over to the area where you'll find the cash rooms, you'll have to pay for your laundry. So what I'm curious about is whether or not the 2100 loop will have free laundry or not. We're gonna go check that out. All right, so we made our way over to the 2100 loop, and we had a little bit of trouble finding this laundry facility, but we did find it. It isn't marked, so make sure that you check your My Disney Experience app. Let's take a quick look around. So we do have some water fountains over here. We have some washers. We also have a wash sink. And then over this direction is where we'll find our dryers. There's a vending machine in here, as well as some laundry detergent. Take a look and see how much it is. It is $1 per load. So that's not too bad, especially if you don't have your own laundry detergent. I like to bring mine with me. Then right over here is where we find the machine for us to pay. Now, I'm not sure how much it is. It was a few dollars per load last time we checked. Unfortunately, if we don't pay, we can't find out. At least not that I can see, but let's see if it says on the machine itself. No, unfortunately, I don't see it on the machine itself. I don't see a sign either. We do have laundry instructions, but no pricing. And that right there is a look at the laundry situation here for the cabins. Now, I will tell you, of course, this is not located in the cabins, and in the future, the cabins will have their own section for doing laundry. Whether or not you'll actually have to pay is yet to be seen. I'd imagine that since it is a Disney Vacation Club property, you won't have to, because that's not standard, but there's a lot of things that aren't necessarily standard for DVC properties here at the cabins here at Fort Wilderness. So we'll just have to wait and find out. But if you are going to be staying here anytime soon, be prepared to pay for your laundry, be prepared to make your way out to this 2100 loop area. Again, keep an eye on the My Disney Experience app so that you can easily locate this laundry facility.
Yeah, I will say, no sign to get over here.
No, and it's really hard to find because it says it's in the 2100 loop and it's not.
It's on the outskirts of the 2100 loop, which is accessible from the road, but the road has no signage and the loop itself has no signage. Not that we saw anyways. So if you know, you know kind of thing.
Yeah. Also, there are some cabins that are really close by to this laundry facility. So if you are going to be here later when everything kind of finishes up, you know, once all the cabins have been updated, it might be wise to double check whether or not the laundry facility nearest you is going to charge you to do laundry or if it's going to be free. Again, this is one of those things that we haven't quite ironed out yet since these so recently transitioned over to Disney Vacation Club. But anyway, I hope that this answered your question about laundry. It is a bit of a jaunt to get to the laundry depending on where your cabin is located. So you do want to prepare accordingly for that. If you have a golf cart, that can make things so much easier. Also, there is a laundry basket located in your cabin, so you can utilize that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is to say about this topic. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope this answered any of your questions. And I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys think of the cabins if you get the opportunity to stay here. Tell me all about it in a comment down below.
Hanging out with us, she meant to say. It's like I'm not even here sometimes.
Hanging out with us. Thanks for hanging out with us. And we hope that you hang out with us next time. Until then.
Bye, guys.
Bye.